8. You? Class? 9. No? 9. 8. 9. 8. Okay. 10. Good. Alright? 10. Plus 10. 10. 8. 8. 9. 3 points. Okay. So since we are here, the students of, sir, I think you will get boring. I think if you sit this way, na? That's sort of boring over to. No. How na pabo? Pabo. क्या चलो आप अपने, साफ करो आप अपने, मुक्त करो। If you don't mind, you can sit in the line of students also to enjoy the class altogether, ना? Last bench तो चलो तो बोलो बोल बना के, just sharing होगा हमार, चलो share को पूरी टेकें।
Review करे जाएंगे फादर ना?
All together, it's a sharing ना? Sharing. So since you are the students of class 6, 7, 8 ना? And class 9 and 10. It's okay. So, my dear students, okay, it's okay. This set is all. Blue, right? Blue. Better give this one. My dear teachers, please share with me, okay? I'm not teaching you, I'll take help from you. Okay? You're just sharing with me all together. It is a sessional. You know, you just don't take it as a class. Okay? It is not your means school's class. This is, you can take a special discussion on the basic things in English and learning English. Okay? जब हम लोग अंग्रेजी सीखते हैं, इंग्लिश सीखते हैं, तो उसमें बेसिक थिंग्स क्या चाहिए हमको? You understand Hindi, no? All of you. Hindi understand? English understand? Okay, it's no matter, you can learn with me. My English is very easy, it's just like water only. Na? मेरा English पानी की तरह. It's very easy only. Okay. So, what are the basic things in learning English? First of all, we know that English is not our mother language, correct? English has not come with us when we are born. जो हम लोग जन्म लेते हैं दुनिया में, तो हमारे साथ अंग्रेजी नहीं आते हैं. क्या आते हैं? अपना मदर लैंग्वेज आते हैं. Mother language means what is called mother language? The language we learn from our mother. Okay. Mother language means the language we learn from our mother. Mother means from our home. It's okay. Just for our mother language. Understand? So we are very good in our mother language. But nowadays the situation demands. आजकल की क्या परिस्थिति है? All over digital India, isn't it? Social media, isn't it? And the whole world is called global village. You know? जहाँ भी जाओ, जैसे भी जाओ, सब क्या मिलेगा? सब अंग्रेजी. Everywhere English. You have taken the T-shirts and shirts, you can see it is written in English. ना? जब भी कपड़ा तुम लोगों ने पहना, उसमें भी क्या लिखा है? English. You have taken the water, it is also written here. English, isn't it? That we call it what? Pencil. Pencil is what word? कौन सा शब्द है ये? English है. School. So everywhere, wherever we go, we just need English. That is why we are now compelled to learn English. इसलिए हम लोग आज परिस्थिति ने सीखा है कि अंग्रेजी सीखो, कुछ बनो. If you want to win the world, अगर दुनिया को जीतना है, if you want to win the world, you have to go through English. Which language originally you belong to, it's not a matter. तुम कौन सी लैंग्वेज से आते हो? बोडो से आते हो, करबी से आते हो, चाइनीज से होते हो, स्पेनिश होते हो, it doesn't matter. जब तुम स्टेज पे आओगे, जब तुम come on the whole you come, so you have to deliver yourself in English. Okay. Now things. What are the basic things in learning English? Who can say? First, I don't want to say about the word and sentences. Your teacher has told you. तुम लोगों का शिक्षक ने सिखाया सब कुछ. Now see, to learn a basic thing in English, first, you know, every language has its own pattern. सब लैंग्वेज का अपना एक स्टाइल होता है. Understand? You just listen my thing just like a story only. हाँ, don't think it's a grammar. Okay, grammar की तरफ मत सोचो. ये just ऐसे सोचो कि हम लोग कुछ बात कर रहे हैं, कुछ स्टोरी बोल रहे हैं ऐसे. So every language has its own pattern, own style, own design. सब लैंग्वेज का अपना एक तरीका होता है, एक डिजाइन होता है, एक बहादुरी होता है. जैसे कि बोरो लैंग्वेज जो है उसका एक अलग तरीका होता है, असमीज का कुछ अलग होता है, हिंदी का अलग होता है, स्कॉटिश का अलग होता है, स्पेन का अलग होता है, and English has its own pattern. Okay? In English, whenever we say a sentence, first of all, what do we need? You have to answer me. जब हम अंग्रेजी में बात करेंगे, जब हम अंग्रेजी सेंटेंस बोलेंगे, एक सेंटेंस बोलेंगे इन इंग्लिश, ओके, इंग्लिश में एक सेंटेंस बोलेंगे, तो फर्स्ट हमको क्या चाहिए? या व्हाट डू वी नीड फर्स्ट? कहां से हम शुरू करेंगे? टू स्पीक द सेंटेंस वी हैव टू स्टार्ट विद सब्जेक्ट. करेक्ट? जब हम एक सेंटेंस बोलेंगे इन इंग्लिश, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट वी नीड, हमें की लगे, क्या चाहिए हमें? सब्जेक्ट. देन हु आर द सब्जेक्ट? ये सब्जेक्ट कौन है भाई? हु आर सब्जेक्ट? नाउ टेल मी, हु आर द सब्जेक्ट? व्हाट इज कॉल्ड सब्जेक्ट? सब्जेक्ट किसे कहते हैं? एनी आइडिया? You can say in Bodo also, no matter. I can understand better, but I speak less.
बुंहर बडो बाबू दे.
Due to lack of practice.
बुंहर बुझी सारा.
Yeah, share with me, no matter. Subject means what? Okay, you learn from me, huh? Subject means the one who does the action. Action means come, verb. Action means what? Action means come. That you are sitting, no? Jiragasnidam, this is also action. Angungasnidam, action. I say nothing, that's also action. The fan is moving, it is doing its action. So action means what? Kamani. Okay? Action means what? काम. जो काम हम लोग करते हैं वही एक्शन है. ओके? कुछ लोग एक्शन बोलते हैं, कुछ लोग काम बोलते हैं, कुछ लोग वर्ब बोलते हैं. You can say any words, but the subject is one who does the action. जो काम करते हैं और जिसके द्वारा काम कर सकता है और काम करा जाता है. ओके? Who does the work? जो काम करता है उसे सब्जेक्ट कहता है. ओके? The fan is moving. कौन मूविंग कर रहा है? फैन. The subject is fan. Clear? The auntie is giving us cold drinks. Okay? Who is giving cold drinks? Auntie. Subject is who? Auntie. Clear? Clear? Sir is teaching us Hindi. Who is teaching? Sir. Clear? So to be subject. Subject होने के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए? What do you need to be subject? Subject होने के लिए हमें noun और pronoun चाहिए. Correct? He is reading, so he is pronoun. Correct? She is walking, she is pronoun. Okay? So Ram is reading, Ram is a noun. Correct? So is it clear now? Clear हो गया? To be subject, subject होने के लिए क्या चाहिए हमें? Either noun or pronoun. But एक बात हमेशा ध्यान पे रखना, one thing always keep in your mind, whenever you write something, no, that subject should be always noun. Okay? Whenever we write something, whenever we say something for the first time, okay, first time, never begins any paragraph, never begin any paragraph, any writing with pronoun. First is noun. So why pronoun is used? हमें pronoun कैसे और कब हम लोग यूज करते हैं? जब एक नाउन को हम बार बार नहीं बोल सकते, बोलने से क्या होता है? बोरिंग हो जाता है ना? Isn't it? My father is a good man, my father is helpful, my father is kind, my father is busy, my father is eating, my father teaches me. When you say again father and father and father, the listener, those सुन रहे हैं, वो क्या father father कर रहे बार बार? So it's getting what? Boring. So in place of father, what pronoun should you use? He or she? He. Correct? So to be subject, we need noun pronoun. Is this clear? Clear हो गया है? Okay? And action, what we do, what action we do, that is called verb. जो काम हम लोग करते हैं, उसे क्या कहते हैं? उसे verb कहते हैं. Verb means what? In English, some very funny things are there. Okay. If you read English according to the books, no, it will give you burden and burden and burden. But to remember English, some funny things are there, easy things. You have to carry. If you speak English with the Nagaland boys, Manipuri boys, or what's called it is, Meghalaya, Shillong boys, you will be happy to learn English from them. Just that particular word only they say. जो चाहिए वही बोलते हैं. Okay, English means not all the time with grammar, subject, or things. Just to remember, कुछ चीजें ध्यान में रखने के लिए. Okay, so we have to use a shortcut. So then, what is called verb? Verb means what? Verb means verb means what? Huh? Action. No? Verb means action. So in other language, how can we say? Verb means doing words. Verb means what? Doing words. Doing words means কি? যিবিলাক শব্দই কাম কৰে. Eating, writing, playing, running, walking, smiling, laughing. Correct? Standing, sitting, coming, going, all are verbs only. Verb মানে হল doing words. So if someone asks you, কোনোবা যদি সুধে, what is verb? You should say, verb means doing words. Or if you want to say in theory, then you can say, doing words are called verbs in English. একদম shortcut. মানে যি বৰ শব্দই কাম কৰা বা হোৱা বুজাব তাকে ভাৰ্ব বলে দীঘল মানে ইমান ওয়ার্ড বাকিয়া মানে in English easy doing words are called verb. That's all. So what the subject is যিটো কাম কৰে সেই কামটো হল সেই কৰা কামটো হল verb, and that particular word যিটো কাম কৰিব সেইটো কোৱা হয় object. Clear? जितु काम करिबो हे काम को कोआ है ऑब्जेक्ट. जो काम सब्जेक्ट करेंगे उसे कहते हैं ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, नाउ सी सपोज Ram makes a toy. You know toy? Toy means doll. Toy means doll. पुतला. Correct? তোমাকে toy মানে পুতলা জানা. পুতলাক doll নকয় জানে নিশ্চয়. So toy মানে doll, putula kotke toy মানে doll kobo lagibo. That you learn the synonyms. Okay. So Ram makes a toy. Who is the subject here? Clear? Subject is what? Ram. If you Ram or subject, pure Ram subject because Ram makes. Rame banaye. Rame kibata banaye na. What does Ram make? Rame ki banaye? Rame ki banaye? A toy. A is there, no? So you have to say a toy. Okay. Rame ki banaye se? A toy banaye se. So this toy is the object of this subject. Okay? Toy to the banaye se, that action. Okay? That making is called verb. Okay? So in English, whenever we begin something, when we say something, we should say with subject. that is in assertive sentence. Is it clear? This is not mandatory. ये जरूरी नहीं होता है कि हमेशा ऑब्जेक्ट ही चाहिए. Okay? Because when we say something with our friends, with our relatives, with a person, with our colleagues, with our cousins, it is not mandatory that we have to use object anytime. Because whatever comes in our mind, we speak that only. Okay. But हमें शुरू करना चाहिए with subject. Clear? Okay. Now come about verbs. So one of the basic things in learning English is that you need subject. Okay. Now तुम लोगों ने बहुत सारे वर्ड जानते हो. Suppose you know happy. You know happy? Happy माने सुखी. हाँ? कौन कौन सुखी है यार? Who are happy? Happy हो ना आज? नहीं है. क्यों हो happy? Why are you happy? माना? हाँ? क्योंकि कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स मिला है यार. ना? आज कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स मिला so happy. काल नहीं मिलेंगे means not happy. Okay, what is the opposite of happy? What is the opposite of happy? Happy का opposite क्या? Opposite understand? What calling
Opposite. उल्टा सेट.
Okay, tell me. Sad. Again. Huh? Sorrow. Okay. Any more idea? No idea. Bhavun, any idea? Happy माने सुखी, सुखी नहीं उल्टा ना? हाँ. At home, you just listen carefully from your parents. ঘৰত কয় না, আজি মই বিৰাট অসুখী. সুখী নহয়, অসুখী. অসুখী means what? Unhappy. Got the idea? এতিয়া মই ঘৰলৈ কৈছিলো আৰু আছে নাই বুলি কৈছিলা. Get the idea? Okay? Unhappy. Now see, unhappy is the opposite of happy. I am not unhappy means I am happy. Okay. Now my purpose of telling this, moi je etu koi asu yar eta uddeshyo ase. It has a purpose. एक मतलब है, इसका एक लक्ष्य है. One reason is there. So how, when I ask you to give the opposite of happy, you have given what? Sad. You have given sorrow. And finally you have told unhappy. So can you tell me what word is happy? Happy belongs to which category? That is noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. There are 8. Okay, Robin, it's okay. There are 8